Okay, I want to show you on how to solve this question, and the question says, given that square root 3 minus 5 square root 2 close bracket open bracket square 3 plus square root 2 is equals to a plus b root 6. So find a and b. So this is a short question. For you to get the value of a and b, you need to expand this expression to this form so that you will be able to compare the two expressions and you get your answer for a and b. Okay, let's expand this expression. So how do you expand the expression? This type of expression, you take each of the term in the first bracket to multiply all the terms in the second bracket. Okay, like 3 square root 3 multiplied by square root 3, that will give me square root 3 multiplied by square root 3. Then I'm taking it again, square root 3 multiplied by plus square root 2. So that will give me plus square root 3 multiplied by square root 2. Then I will take minus 5 square root 2 multiplied by square root 3. So the minus will affect the plus here and turn it to minus. Then it will now be 5 square root 2 multiplied by square root 3. Then minus 5 times plus, this is 1 here, so there's no difference whether we write 1 or not. So therefore we'll change it to minus, that is negative. Then minus 5 multiplied by root 2 multiplied by root 2. Then we now have 5 root 2 multiplied by root 2. So you will see that we've taken it, we've using this to multiply this, and we've also used this to multiply this and to multiply this. Okay, let's simplify further. So now in SOLD, when you are solving SOLD, once you have multiplication in between two terms, you can pick one of the roots. So I'm picking the square root 1, then you join the number, so it becomes 3 times 3. Then plus this, you also pick one square root, then you put 3 multiplied by 2, then minus 5 times 1, you are still having 5. You pick one of the roots, then 2 times 3, so 2 times 3. Then minus 5 times 1, you have minus 5. Then you pick one of the roots, square root, then 2 times 2, you have 2 multiplied by 2. Then you can now multiply this. 3 times 3, that will give us 9, plus 3 times 2, that will give us 6, minus 5 2 times 3, that will give us 6. Then minus 5 square root of 2 times 2, that will give us 4. Then the square root of 9, which is perfect square root, which is 3, plus you look at 6, there's no perfect root for 6, so on that note you leave it in the root. But if you look at this and this, they are like, just like this one is 1 while this one is 5, and there's negative, so we are removing 1 from this, so this will become square root 3. Then this one change to minus 4 root 6. Don't forget you've taken 1 out of this 5, that is why we're having 4. Then you pick 1, then minus 5, then into, there's square root for there's square root for 4. The square root of 4 is 2. Then if you now arrange, you have 3 minus 4 root 6, then minus 5 times 2, that will give you 10. Let's rearrange. 3 minus 10 minus 4 root 6. I just rearrange it, so I have not done anything here. Then what I will now do is to subtract this. That will give you minus 7 minus 4 root 6. Now if you now come from here to compare, if you equate it, equals to what we have here, a plus b root 6, you will see that if you compare both sides, you now say a equals to minus 7. If you look at it, a is standing in the position of minus 7, while b is standing in the position of minus 4. So this is how you solve this type of question. Thank you.